I will discuss with you also two swing trade, RXRX and JOBY Air Taxi. My dear brother and sisters, welcome to your channel Trading with Harp, and this is your daily episode Market Pulse with Harp from San Francisco. Let's begin. So the RXRX, before we discuss the swing trade, what's the possible price to buy and sell and complete strategy, but before I want to tell you a little bit about it's a clinical stage biotechnology company using AI and machine learning to automate the accelerate drug discovery, and also it has a robotic automations. And why it's important, it has recently cloud computing by a partnership notably with NVIDIA and OpenAI. So this is the key factor here. It will be less time consuming, and artificial intelligence, especially deep learning and computer visions. Traditional drugs development is expensive and slow. RX aims to cut the cost and time by using AI to find drug candidate in the weeks instead of years. And second, it's also very important is JOBY, we can call it JOBY Air Taxi. We have now Robo Taxi, and this will be the future. It has electric taxi aiming to revolutionize urban transportations by making flying affordable and zero emission. Fully electric, quiet, and can carry 4 passengers. Can take off, land vertically like a helicopter. An important thing, LA Olympic contracts in 2028, Los Angeles will host the Summer Olympics, and JOBY was selected to provide aerial rides to and from key Olympic venues. So let's go back to our market update today. So I want to show you some charts. This is what I found in my research, in my study. Everything in my strategies, in my trading is chart, nothing else. So in the chart, according to these trend lines, if you will see in S&P 500, according to me, this is my personal view, there is no more room to go up unless there should be a gap up overnight. Then there is a possible, but before there is no possible to go up. It can go a little more higher, maybe 1660, 640, 30, 35, but it will need a pullback according to my personal opinions. But I also don't want to make nervous anybody, because I don't feel that pullbacks are fearful. I believe Wall Street give you another chance to buy more. So in the end of the day, we're all going higher and high. This is not the way we're going to go down. If we go down, we go back. So there's nothing to do fear, but I just give you my trend line view. And I also listen to some few YouTubers as well, and few analysts. They have the same kind of opinion, but this is my personal opinion. And my second thing here, I want to show you one more thing here. If we will see VIX, the VIX is right now is 15 under 16, and this is very quiet, calm. VIX is the indicator. You can check the volatility of the market. So, and when I was listening one day to Tom Lee, and he's saying when the VIX goes 60, I ask people to buy. I said, why? Because he said when it reached 60, it come down. So it happened exactly. So, and the 60 is high volatile, and below 16 is good, and 12 is best. So if you will see here, I want to point out you right now, what is the VIX value under 16? When was under 16 before? Let's go back. Let's find out. It was over here. Under 16, 15, and when was it? February 2021. February 21, February 20, 2025, and then it's get a good. So let's go back to S&P 500. We can find where is that February here. So February 20 was here when the VIX was under 16, and now we have VIX under 16 again, and it go all the way here and then make a good V-shape, hated V-shape recovery according to Tom Lee, and this was over here, and you will see the V-shape recovery. Now VIX again 16. VIX was 16. Is this a coincidence? These trend lines also telling us there's no more room. Is this a coincidence? Maybe. I'm wrong. But I wish I will be wrong, because I know when pullback is sometimes fearful. So this is my second opinion. I will show you VIX and show you S&P 500. And if you look my yesterday video, I made a inverse head and shoulder pattern. You can look my video yesterday, and in the video I explained this candle was not there happening yesterday when I was made a video. This candle was not here. So this is a kind of a shoulder neck reverse. This is neckline. So I predict that according to the chart, it's not. I'm not just gambling. First of all, trading is not gambling, and trading is all chart analysis, and you can go with the chart, nothing else. So yesterday was finding that there should be a breakout, and if this breakout happen, it go to 120, 121. This was my assumption yesterday. But if we want to get Bitcoin 120, 121, so tomorrow this candle has to be closed above this neckline. Whatever this neckline is here, if this candle will close above, there's more chances we will get 120, 121. But I'm the trader. I only trade under 20, under 30, under $50 small cap stocks. So I don't trade stock over $100. All my stocks, if you see on the left, so these are my stock. I made a swing trade strategies for all of these and give to on my Discord channel and YouTube. Run, AMPX, RX, Mora, QS, Quantum. This is very good stock. EVA is another taxi. Coin is not my. Hood is good. Symbiotic, Sound, DPRO, SOXL, APLD, SoFi, IREN. All these stocks I'm here are in the weekly, in the daily, over 50-day moving average. So all bullish, all strong. So these my stocks. And if you see my Discord channel, in the channel I will post the videos like this. Swing trade for July, SoFi, IREN, BBI, and then like this. And then I also show you, let's go back to my one strategy I made for you guys according to the chart. RXRX, A plus swing trade strategies. So I will not make this video very long. If you need more help analysis the chart, you can write a comment, drop a comment here, or you can join my Discord. It's a free of cost. It's a good community. I just posted the channels, my strategies. So current price of our RXRX is $5.69. So I look for 1 hour, 4 hour daily chart, and in this chart, the reversal entry I found, this is a reversal entry price zone. If you will want to get a reversal entry when the price come down, so I also teach students do a trading without any indicators except you buy on the chart with the support and resistance. So here's we have a support here on the 4 hour chart and 1 hour chart. You can look and chart. I can show you as well. And this is the breakout entry. So what do you mean breakout entry? So when the price break the above resistance and go up. Let me show the chart. RXRX. So here's the chart. So this will be my, if you see, will see this, this is that line here. It rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. And this, one more technical thing. This wick, it doesn't matter. Don't count this wick. As long as this body close above the resistance, it means it break it. Technically it break it. So when this wick go, I don't take a decisions on the basis of wick. I just ignore it. I just base on the body. So if it's close 575 here, this wick will, not a wick, the body of the candle will close here and close above. And then as well, all the trades, stock will go up and come back after 1 hour, next day, and then you buy again at $5.74 or maybe a little lower. So this was my mean. So I will explain one trade because, and then other one is similar. So you can, so here's some pro tips. Wait for confirmations, watch for breakout confirmation as we discussed with the volume above 250K. This is the volume you can check as well, and manage position, MACD flattens and use stop loss further. So always use a stop loss. And as a trader, is, I know it's very common mistake. I do many times. I forget, I just don't want to lose a little few dollars, and I have to kicked out with a 20%. So Wall Street will, if you will not get kicked out, will go out by yourself when your stock is when the trend, that's your friend, is not in your favor. If you will not go out when the trend go reverse against you in a 2%, 3%, then after that then the stock will kick you out. Wall Street will kick you out with a 20% loss. So just keep in mind. So this is my how I made these strategies. I use all these indicators. One is missing Ichimoku clouds, but this is my EMA crossovers. These are all my indicators I used. Then I use daily chart. You can see my trend line here, 4-hour chart, and then I use 1-hour chart. This is the way I make. These are my resistance and support lines. I will know where the resistance, where support. That you can also, here's everything is visible. You can do by yourself. So my job is not you give you spoon feeding. I want you to get enable so you can do your trading by yourself. You don't need me for next trading. So you will know how to make a swing trades, how to find the entry, how to get out entry. So this is like this will be my real life. If you will use my strategies, my whatever I teach you here, if you will use in your trading, that will be my real life. Subscribe my channel or like this video will not help you in the trading. It will not make you better trader, but if you will learn and do in your trading, that will be my real like and subscriptions. So, and also you can join my YouTube channel here. I put all these videos like SMCI, AMD, AMPX. Here is also I also teach trading with Harp. This is a full course for trading. Episode 1, Golden Cross and EMA crossover. I discuss every one indicator or one strategies in one small video. And then I also give these BBAI, those videos like a July 7. So I put some dates as well. So you can join and get the benefits from there. Then I put all these strategies like this. And one more thing, a JOBY. Here you go. Last, my swing trade strategy for JOBY Aviations. So here's a time frame. This is a closed strong bullish momentum. Here's a buy dip. This is I do personally. I will not recommend you, but you can do your own. I just put my limit orders 1070 or 1075, or sometimes I put that 1080, 1090, like a 30% I buy here. For example, if I want to spend like $5,000 or $3,000, I will buy 1,000 here, 90, 1,000 at 80, 1,000 on 70 or 60, like that. I divide my trade in 3 installments in the dip zones. So sometimes filled all, sometimes filled 2, and then I will, whatever I couldn't fill here, I keep it for breakout. When this price go to 1175, I will add more money after the breakout. This is a good. This is what I do. But you can do your own research, own indicators, and use your. I will recommend you to use a paper trading first before you do anything else. Here's some pro tips. You can read later. So if you have any question about these tips, how I find it, you can write a comment in a Dropbox. Always so when you chart, always say, look, start with a weekly chart. Any stock you want to see. This is a new stock, LAES. So it's also quantum computing. This is very good stock. I will make a strategy for this one as well, and this is high potential. BBAI. So always look in a first weekly chart above 50-day moving average, then go for daily chart, then go to 4-hour chart, when you go for 1-hour chart, and then you think about trading. But you will not start trading from here. No, this is not your chart. Even 1 hour is not your chart. Your chart is weekly and daily first. If you think the price is above 50-day moving average, then you can think about the swing trade. Swing trade is not productive, not effective if the price is below 50-day moving average, my brothers and sisters. So have a good luck, have a good journey, best of luck, and God bless you, all of you, and pray for me as well, so I make this good video for you. And if you have any update for me, any comment for me, how I can improve myself, I'm also a student, I'm also learning, and you can send me a message me a comment box. And thank you very much.